Now let's shift our focus to India, where 8 passengers fell onto the tracks from an overcrowded train near the Mumra railway station in the Thane district. Well, according to Central Railways, passengers travelling on the footboard on a local train from Kisara and similarly those on a train going towards CSMT collided with each other and fell. The railway administration and police have reached the spot and have begun a preliminary investigation. Well, according to Swapnil Dhanraj Neela, who is the CPRO of Central Railways, said the reason for the incident is believed to be excessive crowding in the train. The CPRO further informed that the first information was given by the guard of the Kasara-bound local train. The injured have been taken to the hospital nearby, and meanwhile, soon after the incident, the railway board took 2 important decisions. First, all rakes under manufacturing for Mumbai Suburban will have automatic door closer facilities. And second, all rakes in service will be redesigned and door closer facilities will be provided in these rakes.
Well, that is right. It was indeed an unfortunate incident where 8 people who were traveling during peak hours in a fast local train fell off from the train right onto the track in the Thane district of Maharashtra, and all the injured have been taken to the nearest hospital as per the railway administration. The reason cited being is the excessive overcrowding. Remember, the incident took place at Mumra railway station, which comes under the Thane district. It is known as one of the busiest and the oldest local railway station, and people were hanging right outside the door as per the railway officials. The incident took place at about 9:30 a.m. on Monday morning, and it was reported to the railway authorities 20 minutes later is what we understand. And along with the help of the local police and the railway staff, the injured were rushed to the nearest hospital. What we are being told that the investigation is currently underway. The eyewitnesses are being questioned as to what really happened. The CCTV cameras are also being looked at to understand what exactly happened, where did it happen, and how people fell off the track. And right after the incident, it has now prompted the railway board to take some immediate measures and steps. For now, all the new local upcoming trains will have automatic closing door facility, which essentially means that now the local railway trains have the doors open. So to avoid such incidents in the future, they will have the door closing facility. All the existing rakes will be redesigned and built in such a manner which will have the door closing facility. This is Isha Shah reporting here for WION from Mumbai.